Hey everyone, and welcome to our YouTube channel. This video will be a review on the AutoDS Dropshipping. Should you be using it for Shopify Dropshipping specifically? I'll be covering the key areas where AutoDS could potentially help you with your dropshipping business, so hopefully by the end of this video you will know whether you can use it or not. Starting with finding winning products with AutoDS. One of the hardest challenges of running an e-commerce business is identifying hot products that will sell well. With dropshipping, since you don't have to buy inventory upfront, finding winning products is even more important because it directly impacts your bottom line sales and revenue. And this is an area where AutoDS really shines with advanced product research tools designed to spotlight items that fly off the shelves. Let's look at the two main product discovery features that AutoDS offers. First, there is the AutoDS Marketplace, which sources top-rated goods from both retail suppliers and private label manufacturers. This catalog contains a huge variety of product categories, so you can expand your offerings into multiple niches and reach different audiences interested in everything from furniture to even pet toys. And the marketplace simplifies the process of selecting products to sell by providing detailed descriptions, images on the product, pricing intel, and more. By leveraging the built-in filters, you can easily narrow down your searches, which saves an incredible amount of research time. Complementing the marketplace is AutoDS's Winning Products Hub, and this section taps into artificial intelligence to create an always up-to-date list of items experiencing insane sales growth and higher buy demand. So rather than guessing what consumers want, the Winning Products Hub spots high-potential products already being snapped up left and right across e-commerce. And as you can imagine, this gives you a major competitive edge in choosing goods with the highest likelihood of selling successfully. Okay, so AutoDS makes it simple to discover hot selling items perfect for your dropshipping store. But once you've selected the products to sell, manually adding them one by one to your online store can still be extremely tedious and time consuming. And this is why AutoDS also features an automated product importing tool. When you connect your e-commerce platform to AutoDS, you can import all your product details, including images, titles, descriptions, pricing, and variant options, in just a few clicks. And this removes the need to manually enter loads of product data, saving you hours of grunt work while also minimizing mistakes from typos or errors. And even better, the product importer is also highly customizable to meet your specific needs. So you can tweak the product titles and descriptions for better SEO and sales conversions. If you want to incorporate your brand colors or style into the product page, there is absolutely no problem with that. The flexibility makes it easy to create a seamless, professional-looking store that your customers will love browsing. With an intuitive user interface, even total beginners can figure out the product importer and have their inventory uploaded quickly. Now, once your products are loaded into your store, effective inventory management becomes crucial for running a smooth operation. You need to closely track availability and pricing changes to avoid disaster. And that's why AutoDS provides robust price monitoring and stock tracking features updated in near real time. This intelligence allows you to make smart inventory decisions using the freshest data possible. You will never miss out on sales due to an out-of-stock item or lose money because your pricing info is out of date. For pricing, AutoDS monitors multiple sales channels to uncover crucial market and competitor pricing trends that you can leverage when setting your own prices. You'll gain insider access to exactly what your rivals are charging for similar items. And even better, you can fully customize alerts tied to inventory quantity or pricing thresholds. If a product gets low in stock or has price movement, AutoDS will automatically notify you so you can swiftly take action to restock inventory or adjust pricing. And the historical data AutoDS collects reveals patterns in availability and season pricing changes that you can exploit to make smarter decisions about which products to promote or source at certain times of the year. Managing orders can quickly become a nightmare without automation in place. Thankfully, AutoDS provides order management and tracking tools to seamlessly handle the entire fulfillment process for you. As soon as a customer purchases an item from your store, the AutoDS automation will instantly place the order with your chosen supplier behind the scenes. AutoDS integrates with all the top marketplaces too, including eBay, Amazon, and Shopify, to smoothly transfer order details to suppliers with just one click. You can even utilize AutoDS's Fulfilled by AutoDS buyer accounts to completely outsource fulfillment. And this prevents your personal buyer accounts from getting banned by retail suppliers for excessive use. And finally, I want to talk about the pricing of the platform, because at the end of the day, providing tremendous value at an affordable price point is what sets elite software solutions apart. AutoDS makes it powerful dropshipping tools highly accessible for new e-commerce entrepreneurs and established merchants alike. You can give AutoDS a risk-free test drive for just $1 to evaluate the platform. And then after that, you can get the Import 200 plan for $990 per month, which will obviously grant you access to the product importer for up to 200 products to play with and see how the platform benefits your business. As you can see, the plans are affordable and give you a bunch of features, not to mention that you can save a bunch of money if you pay annually. And that will be a wrap on today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Let us know what you think of AutoDS in the comment section down below if you've tried it already. And if you've enjoyed today's video, then give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one.